That's what I was scared of. Happy New Year, people. Happy New Year. Oh, there again. I give thanks. Let me see. 2022. I mean, people, some of us there. I'm going to update on these animals today for the new year. Now we go. So I go them I come, say me I change location for them, so I come pick them up, and my new year hasn't started off the greatest. We have some losses, turkeys, rabbits and such. It's a sad one for me, but nevertheless we're still here, we're giving thanks, and so stay tuned. So we're changing location, the goats, and we have some pregnancy or never expected, and notice it's in the herd. There is no ram goats. Sold all the rams have been sold over the Christmas holiday, people. So just have all females on those two young kids. So we have this mother here that's pregnant, such as that brown one over there in our mix as well. Not so sure about this one no more, but remember boar mix, she's also pregnant. Look closely on her breasts, you can see her breasts. You can see her breasts start developing with milk, people, and that's a good sign. The thing now, I'm not sure which of the rams had gotten her pregnant, but I'm hoping she have some good kids. Why I'm always saying kids. There's a fight going on here, so. And we have to put on rope on these little guy, cause them a give trouble. I just have to put rope on us. Only one of him alone still. Just interchange them each day to change them. So a bad boy. A fight. Them sibling. Him. Yeah, so we interchange the rope for them each day, so they will not lose the weight gain of them or any of that. Here's the next one. The mother all the way over there. But here, peeps, that's the update. So the goats, so we are change location, so we can go and feed on the roadway. So the time then go back in a different some different grass with them. And then just bring it home. I can see what's up. Still never know, so this lady here was pregnant until we start to see her breasts. About few weeks, maybe a week ago or so. Not so sure of the timing. But yeah, people, stay tuned. People made it back home, so now I'll feed up the pigs them. Everything is supposed to get fed, just the pigs them, and the chickens are out, ducks are outside, hasn't get fed as yet. You can see them. One turkey missing, female one died. She would have been in the mix right now. New Year, this had to happen. Female turkey. I think this happened because maybe mate might try mate with her so hard and she's so young. She's dead. But other plans is here for the animals, I guess, for the New Year's. All of this flying up now. Food here. Look at that. Everybody just rush down on the feed. Coop, 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 coop. Coop, 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 coop. Here people, guinea chick them. One, and there's the next one. They are doing well, but as I update you guys on the farm for the New Year's, so I'll pick up some more feed, bring the birds. In here, so we'll have to give her some food here. This pipe. Yeah. Not so healthy, but you know, still have to eat. White crown pigeon always up on there. Yeah, people, that's what's up. Eggs probably nesting there. There'll be eggs there. There'll be a one there. And this side, there'll be eggs there as well. As well as there. I don't like when we do that, you know, because the air flying up and down when that happens. But yeah, peeps, feed the pigs them now. People saying I'll go feed the pigs and the turkey that is left around here. So much water around. Oh wow, water out. Just only one turkey left inside here. And this little miss, and she's not eating much because she used to have the next one. A pile at her for where the feed is. And look at that. There. Never seen nothing wrong with this guy, but now he's dead. She's lonely, but I will just add the next few turkeys inside here as well, peeps. But that's what's up there. This water here, go on. Oh. Pours out Alright, now the meat of the matter with the pigs, people. Just want to say a huge thanks to Mr. Sutherland of RADA in Portland. Sutherland has recommended RADA to give me a Weaner Pig here. So, this big up to RADA and Mr. Sutherland. This guy is a land racer. Yeah, that's the breed of pig we have here. So maybe on the same instance we need to wean these pigs as well, and we're about to do that like right now. So we just get some feed and put some feed inside the pen, so then the rest animals them can calm down, can get feed, so I can get to move the animals much easier, because like you know, this is gonna be a task right now. Yeah, just bring some of my food just the same to him. Alright, we're gonna bring the rest, we're gonna wean the rest of pigs them in this pen with this one. Like I was saying, to big up RADA Portland, Mr. Sutherland as well, because he has recommended me to get a Weaner Pig, and here is nice Weaner. Showed me we can keep her, turn her into a mother pig because she's nice, but just jump in at the same time and pass those pigs into that pen and then over into that one. So just stay tuned, people. People, you might get a bit aggressive just now. If you move fast, one more is still inside here to come out. I don't know why mother behave like this. Some more feet still open. Calm down, can just grab the next one. in the next pen, but I wanted you guys to see that. I risk myself. I almost get bit. They're aggressive. The mom has gotten since her babies are out from her. For peeps, this is what I have to do. Three of them are here with this young boy, and just that one that you saw me took up is here already with him. So I'm gonna go in again and pick those ones up and put them here. So yeah, peeps, now you see these guys together, and the one that we got smaller, she's smaller than the rest, but mine's are here. They are 6 weeks old. They are 6 weeks old, and probably the reason why they are so big is because the mom gave birth to 12 and only 4 had survived. And but yeah, peeps, this is what's up with the pigs. Everybody else is there eating. I'm hoping that these guys don't fight. That's the reason why we feed them and wean them at the same time. As we wean them, we feed them together so they can eat together and get familiar with each other quickly. Well, yeah, peeps, that's what's up on the farm. So just stay tuned, continue watching, update you guys on the rest of animals. And of course, there's gonna be fighting. And this is what we was running from. Stop that. I don't think there will be no peace in this pen tonight. This is not something you should do still, because the pig that was in here is gonna be territorial and defend his territory. So that's what the pig that I got from Mr. Sutherland from RADA, that's what she's doing. She's defending her territory. But I'm just here watching to make sure no more fighting are going. I have to part them. And if you guys were wondering what's up with the pig that was inside of this pen, that pig died. Got sick, I think it got pneumonia or something, and died. He passed away. The one we got from the boar service, yeah, that one that was in here, he died. But anyways, peeps, head back in, update you guys on the rabbits. You know, and I don't know where this buck that's in here went, but he's missing. I don't know where he went. I'm hoping he's gonna pop up back soon. But yeah, peeps, this update on the rabbit. The rabbit in there, man. The bigger ones, like always. Like always, the bigger rabbits are always here surviving. But I mean, people, rabbits are always here. But when it comes to kits now, I don't know. Remember, we have about 10 inside of here. Right now, this one looks droopy like. This one here looks droopy like. Also, it's gonna die as well. So remember, we had like 35 kits. We're down to about 28 or something like that right now. I usually be five black one and 5 white one, and we only have 3 of each. So I don't know what's happening there, people. Also over here, casualty as well. But I don't know what to say, people. Yeah. Meat and here only one died from the 6. This is what's up in the rabbitry. Still have this guy here, can't walk because of the inbreed. Yeah, people, I think we lost one. We lost one from here as well. And all of these look Angoran. Look at them. Just same coating like their mom. Only the grey one in the back there does not have the same coating. The Angoran coat. These elder ones also here, people. But yeah, people, this is what's up. Rabbitry, so mate. This blue rabbit here, the New Zealand buck, to see what kind of kits we'll be getting. Hey peeps, look at this color. These guys are beautiful. Yeah, people, what's up with the rabbits? Let's walk to the guinea pigs. See what's up with them. What's up with them? Like the 3 musketeers. Look at them. This black one here is a male, and the white one there is female. And why mother bear looks so big again like our son mated her. Thinks that's too early, because he's probably not 2 months old yet. Yeah, that's not even possible. I doubt that's possible. I doubt that's possible, although she's a bit fat, but I'm doubting. I doubt that's possible, peeps. Doubt that's possible. But yeah, people, that's what's up on the farm for the new year. So I'm just hoping for more prosperity to come through for the rest of the year. Likewise peeps, and we only have like 45 boiler chicks. Here we need to get some more, get back the next 50 in my nursery, and then out again with some more. So this is probably how we're gonna do this coop from now. 50 in each section, so that 50 there, 50 here, 50 here. So maybe we're gonna do something like the youngest ones over there, then when they reach about like 3 weeks old they come here, and to finish them off they're in the big open area. So maybe that's something we should be looking into in the near future, peeps, and really like 100 boiler. But yeah peeps, I don't have a lot of energy as you can see, but nevertheless still have to give you guys content. So until next time peeps, you're gonna see us in our next one. So just stay tuned, keep watching, remember to like and subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified every time we make a post, people. And remember, big up to RADA for giving us a pig, you know, really appreciate that, we needed it as well. So until next time people.